Anything second hand is no good. I give you a good car, a new car, and second hand car. What do you want? A new car, second hand car? You want new car? The blood, the same thing, New blood is always better than recycled blood. If you do not take green food, green vegetable, okay, then your blood become recycled. Do you take green vegetable? They say, yes, we take a lot of green vegetable. So what do you take? So they take tomato, they take carrot, they take bean, I say that is good, that is vegetable, but that is not green vegetable, no? Green, green. These are the thing. Not potato, not tomato, okay? Not they are good, but they cannot produce blood as a green matter, no? So restaurant don't have so many place for the green food, so they go for bean, they go for potato, they go for all these things, because that is easy for them to manage. Okay, so we produce spirulina.